Hot Shot's secret everyday diesel treatment is a premium 6-in-1 diesel fuel additive formulated to combat the issues associated with ultra-low sulfur diesel and the overall poor fuel quality found around the world. Ultra-low sulfur diesel lacks lubricity, which leads to excessive wear and premature failure of expensive fuel system components, including fuel pumps and injectors. The low cetane ratings of diesel fuel are also less than ideal, which leads to poor combustibility, meaning less power and lower fuel economy for your vehicle. Everyday diesel treatment has been scientifically proven to boost cetane numbers up to 7 points, reduce DPF regeneration cycles up to 50%, and increase fuel economy up to 7.3%. No other fuel additive can deliver a powerful cetane booster, injector cleaner, lubricity improver, water dispersant, rust and corrosion inhibitors, and a fuel stabilizer all in one bottle. Use everyday diesel treatment at each fill up to turn any standard pump diesel into premium diesel fuel. Hot Shot Secret, powered by science.